Vegetables that look identical and typically have no flavor are a consequence of this practice.
What are you talking about?
Oh, sorry.
Here, watch this video.
Hi there. Welcome to Healthy Ladies Over 40. I'm just a girl trying to live a healthy life and share information on healthy living that I find along the way. Welcome to this channel, and let's seek to live a long, healthy life together, shall we? Do you want to know why it is beneficial to grow your own organic vegetable garden?
Yes.
I thought you would. Well, stick around and I'll tell you. Farming has evolved during the past few decades towards mechanization and homogenization, using synthetic fertilizers, additives, herbicides, pesticides, and mass production methods. Clearly, all of this has an impact on humankind. Humans and animals are both experiencing a rapid spread of new diseases. The use of chemicals and other goods on food, together with the industrial procedures used, truly are a threat to human health, according to findings from the World Health Organization. It is a smart choice to start your own organic vegetable garden if you have room for a few pots or even a tiny plot of ground. I'll give you 7 reasons for doing this. 1. Your vegetables won't have any additives. According to research conducted by organic food associations, food additives can contribute to heart disease, osteoporosis, migraines, and hyperactivity. 2. No synthetic fertilizers or pesticides will be used. Regardless of pests or weather, these chemical products are constantly used to obtain harvest, which has an impact on the quality of veggies. In addition, most pesticides are toxic to people. 3. There won't be any genetically modified vegetables. Vegetables are grown with hormones, antibiotics, and other medications. Vegetables that look identical and typically have no flavor are a consequence of this practice. In addition, we end up consuming the hormones that were used to treat the vegetables, which could be harmful to our health.
Hey, do you enjoy watching this video? Then give me a like and subscribe. Now back to the video.
4. Eating organic vegetables that you grow yourself will be significantly healthier for you. They won't include any of the mentioned items or chemicals, and they'll be much more natural than those you'd get at the grocery store. Since you will be aware that your vegetables have not been given any additional ingredients, your health won't be in danger. 5. Organic foods you grow yourself will taste much better. Vegetables grow unnaturally and lose flavor when pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, hormones, and antibiotics are used. Your cooking will be improved by using organic vegetables because their flavors will be more pronounced. 6. Organic farming is environmentally friendly. You won't hurt the soil or the air with the chemical components because you won't use pesticides or other harmful chemicals on your crops. 7. Growing your own organic vegetables helps to ensure both the sustainability of the environment and your personal self-sufficiency. Smaller communities that exchange naturally grown goods among its members have been established, making the world a friendlier and better place for us all.
Thanks for this.
You're welcome, girl. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Health is something that many of us take for granted, and it is important to seek ways of improving our health. Share this video so that many people get to hear this message. Do you want to know 7 benefits of eating vegetables?
Well, yes, I would.
Check out the video I did on that. I will link it in the description box and the pinned comment. Stay healthy, ladies. See you in the next video. If you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, click the notification bell so that you are informed every time I post a new video. Bye.